All right, I'm going to show you how to turn off battery optimization for specific apps on your Android phone. And we're going to do this on two different phones, since different Android phones handle it a bit differently. On a Samsung phone, you can either long press any app and go to the app info screen from there, or you can go to Settings, then scroll down to Apps. And from the list, find the app you want to run unrestricted with no battery limitations. Tap the app, and within that app settings, we're going to go to Battery. Here, just set it to unrestricted, and this will allow the app to use battery freely without any restrictions. Another place worth checking is back under the main battery settings. So you'd go to Settings, and then go to Battery. Within the battery settings, if you scroll down to Background Usage Limits, there's a section for Never Auto-Sleeping Apps. Here, you can add apps that will never automatically get put to sleep. Usually, with modern Android versions, if you already completed the first step, that app won't even show up here anymore, since it's already fully allowed to run without restrictions. But if you're having issues and the app is still being affected by your phone's power management, this is a good place to check. If there's an app you want to explicitly add to that Never Sleep list, just select it here, and your phone won't put that app to sleep. If you're using something like a Motorola, Google Pixel, or another phone running stock Android, it's a similar process, just slightly different menus on those type of phones. Go to Settings, then Apps, and here we'll tap See All Apps to see the full list. Then, find the app you want to allow to run unrestricted. Once you're in the app settings, you'll scroll down a bit and find an App Battery Usage menu. We'll go there first, and you'll see a toggle for Allowed Background Usage. Make sure it's toggled on, but we're also going to tap that text part next to the toggle, and you'll see more options. A selection between Optimized and Unrestricted. So this is where we change that setting to Unrestricted. And now that app can do its thing without being limited by your phone's battery optimization features. And that is how you turn off battery optimization for a specific app. Go ahead and click that like button if this helps solve your problem, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all!